everyone, it's Missy Blue 101 here, and today we have Lego. So we're gonna be unboxing these Lego friends, as you can see, and it is the Heartlake Food Market. It is number 4. What is that number? 410,108. And it has 388 pieces from ages 6 to 12, 6 or over, I would say. So yeah, our characters we have here is Mia and Maya or Maya or whatever. So you get a next Lego. Yep. So let us wait. That $100. It's $100 for the apple. Okay, so let's turn it to the back. Okay, so here's the back. So as you can see, we have Mia right there. That's how she looks. And this is how it looks in the front, I guess. Front and back. Well, front to top, I would say. I don't know, but then this is... Sorry. Anyway, so this is... I guess this is Maya and Mia. And then this girl's... I don't know what she's doing. It's the cashier with the cat. And then I guess Maya's baking some cookies. The cat there. Maya, the cat. Maya... Wait, hold up. Is that a bed? Bruh. No, imagine, like, wait, is that the top? Wait, yeah, is that the top? Let me see. It is the top! Oh my gosh! Imagine just to wake up, you have a bad dream, just wake up, be like, oh, I fell off my bed, help me. You will get seriously injured. Then here's all the food items and accessories, I would say. So we had a bread loaf, a basket. So what is that? Yeah, orange juice, some milk. What are those? What are these? What are these things? Whatever those are. I think this is jam. It's like a cup, helmet for the motorcycle, I'm pretty sure. Some cherries, pineapple, carrots, apples. Oh, actually, we have 2 apples, actually, because I have an apple right now. Banana, a cookie, a pen, and, $100 bill. That's really expensive. Also, and we also have this cashier, 1 motorcycle, and also near the traffic light. Pretty good. So let's start opening. La 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 la. You'll see me for the first time and forever. Ouch, that was hurt. Are you okay? Okay, so let's get opening. So let's do this. Okay. We might need scissors for this. If I'm strong enough, then we don't. If I'm really weak, then we probably don't need this. We do need scissors for sure. Wait, no, we could use this pencil to get off this tape. I'm so smart. Never mind. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it opened. Let it open now. But first.
Is this your food?
Yeah. No, my candy! My candy! No. That's more than 5 seconds. That was just 6 seconds. Just 6. It's a marshmallow. I'll be back. Sorry about the food basket. Okay. That's a lot. No, just look at here, like, that's a lot. That's actually pretty much. Look at this. Anyways, we should get at it. So we have this blue thing. Bag number 3. How did we already get bag number 3? And I opened it the wrong side. Anyways, I have this booklet with some stickers. So we don't need bag number 3 yet. We need this booklet. We need the scissors.
Scissors though.
No, stickers I meant. And then we have another blue template, base plate thing. We have bag number 2. Let me guess. Bag number 2. We don't need that yet. Here's bag number 1. Yay! Bag number 1. This is what we were looking for. Was that it? Oh no. There's some more stuff. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Yeah, that's big. There's 2 booklets, actually. There's actually supposed to be 2 booklets. Don't need that now, I guess. Yeah, we'll keep this box here for now. Here. Oh, I see a head, a body. That's just brutal. Anyways, so.
Is it or you more?
Two more bags. Okay, where's my booklet? Okay, so here's the booklet. Now it says, step number 1. Unbox, I already did that. Now, unbox bag number 1. And unbox bag number 2. Okay. Oh my. Okay. So. Okay. So let's grab this. As you can see, as you can see here, this space plate over here, plus bag number 1, which is over here, would equal Mia, Maya the cat, motorcycle the helmet, this little traffic light part, and this and this and that. Okay. Let's get building. Yay. Okay. Now. Oh, we have to put them all together. I need a knife. I need help opening this again. Nice knives.
So the top. Just do a hole here, so. Get the scissors.
Where even is my scissors?
The really big stuff on the other side. You barely got it.
the right one?
Got light?
Yeah. Ooh, that's a really cool thing to make a helmet. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Can't wait to tear the page. Yay! Thank you. Okay, so bait number 1. We're not gonna. Are we going to? Yes, we are. Let me get a Ziploc bag first. Two Ziploc bags for loose lots and lots of pieces. Okay, so put that. This table is really messy. So I'm gonna say right now, this table is really messy. Okay. Oh, why do they have to put the? I found a tire and someone's legs. Oh, I found Maya's legs. Okay. What is? Oh, this is a part for the motorcycle and part of the door. What is that? Just getting all the stuff. There's like a million accessories and things. This is so annoying. Can't believe, I don't know how they counted all these stuff. They had to make an estimate. What is this? I have another dark blue, little tiny base plate. Any more brutal accessories? Oh, I found Maya's hair. This is just so sad. How did they do this? These poor Lego people. I found Mia's legs. Oh my. Oh my. Why do I do this for a living? Scissors! Where did the scissors go? Oh. Yay. Scissors. Okay. Huge scissors. Okay, that's why we have Ziploc bags. For sale for $3.99.
Zigzag.
Zipsock.
For the small pieces, so I think you misplaced. You can put it in that bag.
Zipsock bag. What is Zipsock bags? Zipsock. Oh! Don't you dare tell me. Don't you? Okay, thank you so much for not doing the cut to pieces. So, okay. No! Oh, it's really loud.
Well, then one piece of paper, my eyes, you go slide out. For the paper towel, then shoot the paper towel.
Well, we found the helmet, the head, and the hair for Mia. Cat. Let's put these pieces aside for now. Okay, garbage corner. So let's start putting these stuff together. well, you can only put some of these stuff, like Mia's head and hairpiece together. For now, look for the glass for this helmet. Why? Okay. I found a lot of bodies in here. This is going to be really sad. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. No. I found the bag. Okay, that's a lot of pieces. Found the helmet thing. It sounds really weird. I found the helmet thingy. No! You can lose some.
Fine. Now you don't. Now this goes back to the next one.
Anyway, how do you put this thing in? What is it? How do you do this? Okay. I'm already raging and I didn't even start. I barely even started. I'm already raging. No! Does this even fit? Is there another piece for this? I see a banana. Oh, yes, there is another piece for this. Thank you so much. For... This has to work. There's no way. Why is there two? Is there two helmets? There's two helmets, I guess. Because there's two glass thingies. But they're obviously not the same size, so I don't know what happened there, but yeah. Okay, this one was close at least. Let's start putting the bodies together. We're wasting all the time. Didn't even start. But okay. Found Maya's head. Okay, Maya. Nerdy. What? Okay. Maya is alive. Now, Mia, let's make Mia alive. I'm so happy you guys actually have oxygen. Don't have any trees in that bag, so I mean... Do I actually already have to be doing this? I'm already raging and it's just character. Ow! I pinched myself. That hurt a lot. I pinched really hard. That's what girls are for. So, he got that piece in. Now this helmet, annoying helmet thing is gonna annoy me so much that I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't annoy me that much. Oh, that's so close. Oh, that was so close. My hands are too shaky. I don't like it. Why does my hands have to be this shaky at this time? Final. Don't tell me that's too big. I'll do this nonsense later. Wow, next page. They had to start with the motorcycle. Thank you so much. Okay. find the motorcycle piece. So we found the motorcycle piece in like a second or less or more. Now we just need one of those pieces and then we need these weird special pieces like so. And where's the other one? And yeah, we only need 2 there, so good. That's pretty good. Now, where's the wheels at? I saw the wheels. Pretty sure I saw these wheels. Really? 2? Oh. Okay. One wheel. 2 wheels. Yay, found 2 wheels. Okay, now let's stab this thing.
Set up some yours already.
Ah! Okay, now.
You fix up all the people down first.
Yeah, you need this helmet for the motorcycle, but it's so hard to put together.
Motorcycle?
Yeah, I'm making a motorcycle. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yep. This is not working! Okay. Seriously, this is really annoying to put these pieces together.
I look like fix up like those, you have to loose them up no more.
Yeah.
Let them just so, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Just stab this thing in here for once, please. You're so annoying. These wheels do not work properly. Oh my god.
One still lifting, sir.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Come in. Every piece counts. This is so hard. Grandpa.
Yeah, but the threading is supposed to be so hard.
Grandpa, can you put this thing inside the wheel?
Yeah,
It's so hard. It's too. My hands are too big, I think. I don't know. I don't like these wheels. They're so hard to put in. Oh. What? Now you need this weird handle.
Shall we rinse?
Yeah, kind of. I guess so. How did you do that? That was just awesome.
I get this strength.
I don't have that much strength. Yay! It works. Working wheels. Now, can you do the other one, please? Now, this is the one-wheel rider right here. The one-wheel rider. Oh, yeah. Now, where's the other handle? Found it! Do you have those, mister? Oh, yes, you do. Thank you. Okay, so. Now, oh, my. There we go. Snap it in there. That'll work. Now this thingy. What is even this for? What? Oh my. There we go. Found it. Now it kind of works. A little bit. It kind of works a little bit. Yeah, so now we need this wheel thing. Oh, and there's lights. So cool. Oh, we have a lot of these lights too. What is it? Okay, let's stick this. Oops, that's the wrong way, I guess. This is really bad at this. I'm just really bad at this. Did I do that the wrong way now? What? Oh. Oh. Fail. That was just a fail. I was so sad. It's unbalanced. Help me. Okay, now. Ooh. We're making a basket. Yay. So we need this piece. And these pieces. We actually need 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. Now we need a 3x3. No, a 3x2 little purple thing. 3x2, 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 3x2. Okay. 3x2, 3x2. Oh, here's a. Really? Okay, so here's some of the pieces, if you can see that. Okay, now, kind of like put these pieces together, I guess. Yeah, you really need some good strength to put this in. Yeah, okay, now, let's, okay, now, oh, oops, wrong way. This is really hard to do. How do I, why? Okay. It's somehow turning out good-ish. Okay, the last piece for this basket. This weird basket thing. Okay, now, put this thing right there. We got this. Now, put this on the motorcycle. Where's the, oh, here it is. How do we put this on? Guess you put it on like this? What? Oh, yeah, you do. I guess. There we go. That's really weird. It's not that balanced still. But who cares? At least we're done the motorcycle. But not the helmet. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we are going on the next page. Lols. Lols. Lolly, lolly, lols. Oh my. Wait. I can do this helmet thing. I can do it now. I believe I can do it. Okay. Put this on here. Put this on here. Put this on here. Put this on here. Okay. Okay, no. Do you see those things on the side? You're supposed to put them there. So hurts. Okay. Now. Need a 2. This long. 2.
This is about me now, son. How you gotta go? You gotta go something like this,
What?
sir. Something so?
Yeah, no. Over here, you see that little thing there?
Can't see it up in there.
Aww. Is this a 4 piece? Yay! 4 for this. Whoa, that's pretty big. Those are 3 bananas. Let's find some 3 bananas. Where's the monkey at? Where's the monkeys? Oh my! Oh, flying out of my head. I was like, whoa. I was like, I believe I can fly.
If you bring me glasses down, sister, go help you, but we can't see just.
Okay, I'll get it. Oh my!
Fix what they want to make already. Yeah.
Okay, there. Now! Oh my. All these pieces just go flying all over the place. Is that a piece? Oh my gosh. Is that actually a piece? Just in case this is a piece, I guess it is a piece. Well, I don't know, so whatever. Now, put this over here, I guess. What? You made a 3?